In the Grand Hermitage Museum lived Catherine, a proud Siberian cat. She was no ordinary cat. She guarded the treasures from sneaky mice, a role passed down through generations. Every hour, the Peacock Clock chimed, a marvel of gold and sound. But today the clock stood silent, its magic broken and lost. Catherine noticed a glint, a golden chime missing from the clock. Without it, the clock's enchanting dance could not begin. A clever jackdaw, eyes gleaming with mischief, swooped past, the chime in its beak. That naughty bird, Catherine thought. With a leap, Catherine began the chase, past paintings whose warm faces seemed to cheer her on. Through glittering halls of Fabergé eggs, Catherine followed, the jackdaw twisting through ornate ceilings. The journey was long, but Catherine never wavered, determined to protect the treasures of the museum. In a quiet corner, Catherine made a leap, catching the jackdaw by its tail feathers and The jackdaw dropped the golden chime, and Catherine carefully picked it up and sped around. She raced back to the clock, ready to restore its magic and joy. Catherine placed the golden bell back into the peacock clock with care. Immediately, the peacock raised its tail, a dazzling display of color. The rooster crowed loudly, filling the winter palace with its proud call. The magical silence was broken, replaced by the beautiful sounds of the clock's ritual. Visitors smiled and clapped, amazed to see the clock restored to its former glory. Catherine curled up nearby, content and proud, more than just a cat, a true protector. The Hermitage cats continued their watch, keeping the museum safe and alive with wonder. Thanks to brave Catherine, time in the Winter Palace ticked happily ever after. Catherine, the brave guardian, was celebrated by the museum staff. Even the jackdaw learned a lesson, admiring Catherine's courage from afar. Each day, Catherine continued her duties, a symbol of loyalty and care. The peacock clock never missed a chime again, a testament to Catherine's bravery. Catherine's legend lived on, inspiring all the Hermitage cats to protect with pride. And so the treasures of the Hermitage remain safe, thanks to a very special cat. Catherine continued to watch over the museum, her legacy forever etched in its history.